Okay, our next tool is a book play, and we are going to log in, and we can log in with Facebook. I logged in with my email, so I'm going to click in here, which is the email we want to use, and we're already logged in. These are some activities that I have already made, but we want to create a new one. So we click in here where it says new activity. Okay, and we have in here several types of activities. This one is a riddle, fill in the blanks game, crossword puzzle, but we want test, so we click in here where it says quiz. We select the language, English, which is a title, we're going to use the same one, and a description. Then we click here, down here. For our country, we can select the country, and we select in here the grade that we are going to use this test for. So let's say this one, and the subject will be English. Okay, then we go up and we click on next. Okay, so in here we have some things that we need to use if we were premium. That since I'm using the free account, we can use this. We're going just to start editing the questions. Okay, so we need to know how many questions do we want to place in our test. Let's just say 3 questions for this example. We can choose random or static questions. We can choose truthful percentage. As let's place it at 70. Sensitive to capital letters or stresses, we can just leave it like that. And time limit, no, let's just leave it with that. You can choose, let's say, if you place yes, you can choose in here how many minutes do you want. The minimum is 20 minutes, but let's just not give any limit of time. So that in here you can see this box. In here you can click on help, and it will tell you what do you need to make your assessment or your quiz more effective. So we're going to start with the questions. Okay, so the first question, let's see, what is the name of the first planet? And here we can select an image if we want to upload an image. Let's see, this one. It doesn't have anything to do with the planets, but it's just for the example. So we can select from here we want a video or an audio. Well, let's just leave it like that because we don't know. So here, compulsory answer. We'll just leave it no. Okay. We can write in here the feedback. Then it will give us the box to type the answers. So first answer will be Mercury. is the correct one? No, so we'll leave it like that. Then Earth is the correct one? Yes, so we click here in this. And we choose another one that is not the correct one, and another one. Okay, and then we click in send. Okay, then we continue with another question. We can check in here the questions that we already have. So let's add another question. Let's see. Planets in the solar system. Okay, so we click in. You can choose in here we want the student to answer among several options. If you want to choose just one option, in here if you want him to write it down, one sentence or in one line, or if you want the answer to be in several lines. So let's see, let's place to write the answer in a line. So we click on send. And add possible answers. The possible answers would be 8 or 9. Then we click again send. And we're going to find it in here. Okay, we can add another one. Let's see another question. Okay, we can select from here to write the answer in several lines. Okay, so we need to place in here the answers, and there's only one possible answer, so we're going to write. Okay, and we click on send. Then we check in here the questions that we have, and as you can see in here we have the help button, the preview, and we cannot publish because there's something that we're missing. So let's check in here. So we need to add a tag and we need feedback. Okay, so we're going to go to the feedback. We can activate it or deactivate it, but let's just leave it deactivated. And the tags, we can just add them in here. So let's see, we're going to use planets, and we're going to use solar system, and we can continue to add some tags, and you can see in here that we already have activated the button to publish the activity. We can preview the test, or we can just continue to publish. So we're going to publish the activity, and we're going to find it in here. Okay, so you can see in here the quiz, and we have the options to download or publish into Google Classroom, to duplicate, to restate ranking, we can check the results, or we can delete the quiz. But that's how you create a quiz in Educaplet.